Happy 4th of July. It is Independence Day in the United States, and like any freedom-loving American, I'm going to celebrate with fireworks. I bought a pretty good assortment of things, but I've decided that I need what I'm calling a freedom bucket to assist with launching some of these. Went to Home Depot, bought a bucket, and I'm gonna convert it to help launch some bottle rockets, because I bought some bottle rockets that are huge, and the sticks that they're on, not gonna work in a traditional bottle, a beverage bottle. So these are what I'm talking about, and they are considerably, they're like yard marking sticks. Now they're not like the biggest ones that were available, but they're huge. And to give you an idea of what these look like compared to regular ones, traditional bottle rocket sticks, tiny. Okay, so I need something to launch these out of. So the idea is this: I've bought these ring hooks, and what I want to do is be able to slide the bottle rocket through these. And then I'll position them in a way that gives them an angle so they're firing away from us and not towards us. And then because I'm a little bit extra, I've also bought these angled brackets here. So when I slide through the rings, they will come back here, and this will be a sort of like landing point for the stick so that they don't go all the way down. I want to reduce as much resistance on this so that when it launches, it goes. So sort of like that area. This is not rocket science. All right, so Freedom Bucket version 1 is pretty much done. It's multiple rocket launch points there, so that's awesome. But I also have traditional little bitty bottle rockets too, and I want to be able to launch as many of those at one time as well. So I'm going to continue modifying this, and check this out. The plan is to arrange multiple launch points along the front of this bucket so that I can sink an entire pack of bottle rockets in there, light their fuses, and set them off in, one big swoop. I have these little eye hooks, like picture framing hooks, that I'm going to just put into the front of the bucket. I think really what I'm going to call this is the MLB, or multiple launch bucket. So we've got the 2 mains and then 8 standards across the front of the bucket. I can already tell by looking at that those are going to go pretty much anywhere, so I'm considering continuing to modify the bucket. This is the revision. So the little bucket rockets feed through here, and then these provide just a little bit of alignment and guiding for those. I'm taking this very seriously. This is going to be awesome. You got a loud environment notification? Time to do the big rockets that I built this darn thing for and see if it's actually worth it. So far, so good. It's working great. Some improvements could be made though. You prepping fuses for me?
Yeah, we are.
How many shots did you say this has?
Hopefully that's not a gun.